What if I graduate and can't find a job? What if I lose my current job? What if my skills become obsolete overnight? What if AI can do my job better than I can? These fears aren't new. People have always been afraid of technological change. But history shows that every revolution creates winners and losers. The real question is, which side will you be on? The Industrial Revolution was one of the first times humans truly feared being replaced by machines. In early 19th century England, a group of textile workers called the Luddites destroyed weaving machines. They believed these machines were stealing their jobs. But did machines truly replace workers? Not exactly. Yes, traditional weavers lost jobs, but new professions emerged: factory managers, engineers, machine operators. The real winners were those who adapted. Fast forward to the 20th century. When computers arrived, people feared mass unemployment. Secretaries worried about word processors. Bank tellers feared ATMs. Artists feared digital tools. But what happened? Computers didn't eliminate jobs. They changed them. New roles emerged. The question isn't, will AI replace us? It's, how do we work with AI instead of against it? We are now at the start of a new transformation, the AI revolution. Machines can write, code, diagnose diseases, even create art. And people are afraid once again. But history shows us a pattern. The biggest winners are always those who learn how to use new technology, not those who fight against it. The key is simple. First, understand what AI is good at. Then, identify your own strengths. Finally, combine the two. AI excels at data analysis, automation, programming, content creation. But it doesn't think like a human. What are you good at? Storytelling? Strategy? Problem solving? The places where AI falls short are where you can shine. Merge your strengths with AI's power. That's the game changer. AI can generate content but lacks emotion. If you're a great storyteller, use AI as your assistant. AI can code, but it doesn't understand people. If you're a developer, use AI to save time, not replace you. I can create art, but it struggles with originality. If you're an artist, use AI as a brush, not the painter. Andrew Ng, the founder of Google Brain, once said, AI won't replace people, but people who use AI will replace those who don't. Don't fear AI. Use it as your most powerful assistant. Those who embrace this mindset will shape the future. The real question is, will you be one of them? Maybe, just maybe, it's not about AI taking over. Maybe it's about us evolving with it, not to compete, but to collaborate. Because when a new tool emerges, it doesn't just change the way we work. It changes how we think, how we create, how we dream. The printing press didn't destroy storytelling. It amplified it. Electricity didn't replace human effort. It powered new possibilities. AI is not here to take our place. It's here to ask us, what will you do with me? The future isn't written yet. It's being generated right now, not by machines, but by people who choose to grow with them. So don't just survive the AI revolution. Shape it.